No, why? That part's so full of shit. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you see my face for the first time, I hope you don't make it your last by joining the family. Of course, if you enjoy the content, my name is Temi and I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. I upload videos twice a week. To my OGs, thank you guys so much for coming back to watch this video. Please don't forget to put on your post notification bell. I don't want you guys to miss any videos when I drop it like it's hot. Without further ado, let's just get into today's video. So babes, before you continue watching this video, it's gonna mean so much to me if you can just take 5 seconds right now out of your time to give this video a massive thumbs up. That way YouTube will be able to recommend my videos to other people, and that way you're helping my channel in the little way that you can. Anyway, so guys, in today's video, you guys can already tell from the title and of course the thumbnail, I am so excited. Like, can you tell from my voice? I am so excited. And if you see me looking over here, my monitor's right there. So because these days my old camera been moving mad. Yes, I said my old camera been moving bad. It's not the camera, it's the lens. But yeah, so today I got I got a new vlogging camera, guys. Oh my god, guys, listen, I did not even post this on Instagram because I want people to actually come on my YouTube channel to see this video, because normally I wanted to do like reels and stuff, but I'm still gonna do reels. You know that reels that says get ready to be sick of it, get ready to be sick of it. Yeah, that I really want to do that. But yeah, I wanted to open it for my YouTube family first and foremost, because you guys are more loyal to me than my Instagram followers. But yeah, I got the Sony ZV1. I got this camera on August for $6.99. That's like £700. That is a lot of money. But I actually ordered this first on eBay. The sellers had it for like almost a year or so, but I really wanted brand new camera, something that, God forbid, but if anything happens, I can easily just return it back and stuff. But yeah, so I ordered that, but I think God was working for me. God wanted me to have a brand new camera because I ordered it on a Friday. The seller sent it on a Saturday. My dad paid for it. He didn't check his eBay to check for the tracking code and stuff. On a Monday, I messaged the seller myself and I asked for the tracking number. I tracked it and literally was showing that the stuff has been sent back. Guys, literally I was almost running mad. Like, I was so pissed off. I contacted the seller and I was like, okay, this is going on, what we're going to do. And the seller did say that, oh, that's not his fault, that's our fault, so it doesn't know what it's going to do, only if the camera gets to him and they can send it back, blah 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 blah, yeah. So my dad called the collection center and they said apparently the seller did not add all the details it was supposed to add, so they rejected it, right? So then my dad contacted the seller again, letting him know that, you know, that was not our fault and he has to do something. But long story short, he bought this on August and yeah, we got the refund back from the seller on eBay and stuff. So I'm gonna stop talking and do an unboxing for you guys to see the camera, and then we're gonna turn it on together. But I cannot use my memory card because I have just one memory card, which I'm using now in my Canon camera. So yeah, literally I'm just gonna turn it on to see if it works, you know, because I've not turned it on. Like, literally everyone in my house has been like, you've had this camera, you don't even know if it works or not, but I know it's gonna work. It's good to work in Jesus' name, okay? But anyway, so I'm gonna you know, show you guys the little unboxing, and then I'm gonna come back and talk about the camera. So this is the, what's it called, the 1-year warranty or extended warranty. Yeah, I think these are the manual, what you're supposed to read. Let me know if anyone actually reads this, because I don't. I might I might, but yeah. So it also comes with this is the manual, which is so a lot in there. And yeah guys, finally open my camera. So here, this is the dead cat. So this is apparently supposed to, you know, take you know when there's like, it's windy, yeah, this is supposed to reduce the windiness when you're out. So yeah, this is the charger that it came with, the cable it came with. I think this is like type B. I think, yeah, this is type B charger. So yeah, now to the main thing. Da 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 da. So this is the camera, the famous Sony camera. Yeah, I'm really excited to use this. Can you? Oh, you can't. Oh, that's sad. You actually cannot flip the lens, unlike the Canon one that you can actually flip. I don't know why this is not focusing. Can you focus on the main thing? Yeah, so you actually cannot, you cannot flip this, unlike the Canon one where you can flip to the other side. And then yeah, so yeah, so there's only one battery, and apparently the battery for Sony is whack, so I might have to look for where I can buy batteries and stuff. So that was my little unboxing. So I'm gonna put the battery in the camera just right here. Okay. And I don't know if you know where I can get batteries for Sony camera. Please let me know. And can you guys tell me why like, what is it called, there's no charger? Like, there's literally no way you can charge this, only if you plug it with your laptop. Like, that's why I like Canon, because Canon gives you literally everything when you order it. Like, they give the charger. Some of Canon actually gives you memory card and like extra memory card and extra batteries and stuff, because I saw like I saw the Canon G7X Mark III, but that was sold out. So, and because like the reviews as well did say that, you know, the Sony one is a lot better when it comes to like the focus, the battery life and stuff. No, well, not the battery life, the focus and stuff, and a couple of other things. So I thought, okay, do you know what, let me just get the Sony camera instead. So let me put the dead cat as well on the camera. I've not turned it on. Where did you put this? Oh wow, I'm such a freshie. I don't know where you put this. Oh, I'm gonna have to watch videos to see how you put this, because listen, but this is literally supposed to be here. Do you have to open something? Wow, I'm such a freshie. Yeah, we're gonna figure that out later on. But why is it not coming on? Oh, okay. Ooh. So this is literally it. So you guys can see that. So literally English. Oh, you cannot. Oh my god, why? Look at me touching the screen. I'm so used to my Canon that I'm literally tapping on the screen, because this is not touch screen, and this is why, this is part of the problems, like, you know, part of the set area and time. How do I set this? Enter. No, I mean Nigeria. Okay, so we're trying to set this. No, why? That part's so full of shit. Listen, the struggle of being a YouTuber in Nigeria is real. Like, do you guys see how they just took the light like that? Like, no manners whatsoever. So I've had to like increase my ISO to like 800, so you guys will just be able to see me. I just want to finish the video and not have to bother with you know, having to record this back again. Listen guys, I'm so sorry for the inconsistency of the lighting. They literally just brought the light back, and my candle is about to die, like literally. I need to change the candles. But yeah, so this is the camera. The focus is crazy. Compared to my Canon camera, the focus on here is crazy. It has no cards right now, but I look so good. Like, it's really clear. I don't know if the beauty mode is on right now, and I wish I could literally show you guys what I am seeing, or maybe I'm just gonna use my phone and then like send it from my phone to the camera for you guys to see what I am seeing. But yeah, so this is what I look like right now. I'm gonna insert this to the camera. It's literally focusing on the phone rather than my face. I think it has the product stuff on, so I need to play around with it and stuff, and then yeah. But this is basically what I look like, guys. This is, tell me this is not good. Like, this is so good. And I'm going to be filming more with this. But yeah, so this is all about the Sony. I am so excited. Like, I feel like I can vlog a lot more now. I'm definitely gonna buy a camera case for this, and I need to figure out how to actually use this, the dead cat thingy, but it's so cute and stuff. But yeah, so guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to vlog. If you remember in my last vlog, I did tell you guys that something is coming in April, okay? And that's me vlogging more. You know, I have a new camera, so yeah, I'll definitely be vlogging more. And I need to charge the battery as well. So, and once I'm done, I am actually gonna put the memory card in on that, from that the Canon camera, the one I'm filming with now, in here to kind of just test it out and stuff, and then obviously do some settings on there. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Like, I'm so gassed right now, and I'm so grateful that I can, like, you know, that I'm able to, you know, even have this camera and stuff. Like, the level has changed. You get ready to be sick of me, okay? But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna be filming more as well with this camera rather than using my Canon, just because of the focus on there. But yeah, so that's basically everything. If you've watched up to here and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, or you've not liked this video, please go ahead and do that right now. And yeah, and all the good stuff. Let me know your thoughts if you have this camera, and if you know any way I can get extra batteries, then let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts if you have this camera. Let me know how well it performs and stuff. And yeah, and babes, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay easy, breezy, and beautiful, period. Bye, babes. Okay, enough of that. Oh, my teeth hurts. I'm smiling too much. Okay.